Hello everyone, welcome to another topic of our SEO series. This is Mori from SLBPO. In the last video of our SEO series, we talked about the basics of technical SEO. Technical SEO is a vast chapter, and so go a bit in depth. We have decided to give you a detailed knowledge on it. So we will continue today again with this topic, deeper understanding of how to do technical SEO. Understanding of technical SEO is important for collaborating with other teams and essential for ensuring that your website is designed and structured for both human visitors and search engine crawlers. That's why it is divided into three principles. Number one, how does the website work? Number two, how search engines understand websites? And lastly, how the user interacts with the website. In our last video, we talked about how users interact with a website and how a technical SEO optimization can help you and your website. Let's now talk about how websites work. How does the website function? Before knowing how a website should function, we must set it up. The first step is purchasing a domain name from a registrar, linking it to an IP address through a DNS, and hosting the website on a server. When a user requests the websites by typing the domain name or clicking a link, the browser makes a DNS lookup request to convert the domain name to its IP address, then request the website files from the server. The server sends the files which the browser uses to assemble and render the web page for the user to view. Additional requests may be made for the browser to display the websites entirely. After setting the website, it will now start its functions. A website uses a combination of technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create web pages displayed to users in a web browser. When a user types in a website URL or click on a link, the browser sends a request to the server, then hosts the websites. The server then sends the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files to the browser, which uses them to render the web page on the user's device. This process allows for the dynamic display of information, user interactions, and other features that make up a website. How do search engines understand websites? In our second video of SEO, we talked about how search engine works by crawling, indexing, and ranking. If you missed that video, I will link it up somewhere in the I button to save it. So, in the technical SEO, search engines also do the first two steps, which is crawling and indexing. We will now try to find out how they do that. How crawling works. According to Google, crawling is the process of discovering web pages on the internet. There are few ways to control what gets crawled on your website, like RobotTX. Search engines are instructed on your websites via RobotTX file where they may and cannot go. So, crawl rate. A crawl delay directive can be used in the RobotTX file to control the frequency at which crawlers visit the pages on your website. This feature is supported by many crawlers, allowing you to set the rate at which they crawl your website. Access restrictions. To limit access to certain website pages to specific users and exclude search engines options such as login systems, password through HTTP authentication, or IP whitelistings can be used. These options are suitable for internal networks, member-only content, testing, development, or staging sites. This setup allows a group of users to access the page, but search engines will not index it. How to see crawl activity? To check what Google crawls on a website, the crawl stats report in the Google Search Console provides detailed information. Access to server logs and specialized tools may be needed to view all the crawling activity on the website, which can be complex. If the hosting provider offers a control panel like cPanel, raw logs, and tools like AW Stats and Webalizer can be accessed to aggregate the data. Crawl adjustments. Google crawls each website based on its unique crawl budget determined by its popularity and update frequency. Crawl issues can cause temporary slowdown or halt after crawling pages are indexed and returned in the search engines. Now, we will talk about how indexing works. Indexing is the process of analyzing and cataloging pages that are crawled to understand their content. For a website to appear in search results, it needs to be indexed. Let's now understand how pages are indexed. Robots directives. A robot meta tag is a piece of HTML code that tells search engines how to crawl or index a page. It goes in a website's head sections. Canonicalization. Google will pick one version of a page from multiple versions to preserve in its index. The process is known as canonicalization, and the URL selected as the canonical will be the one shown by Google in search results. It determines the canonical URL based on a variety of indications, including standard tags, redundant pages, internal ties, redirects, URLs for sitemap. Using the URL inspection tool in the Google Search Console is the most straightforward approach to see how Google has indexed up pages. You will be shown the canonical URL that Google has chosen. I hope you understand how to do the crawling and indexing part for the technical SEO now. If you are thinking of doing technical SEO, then you can hire ASL BPO. They can be a good choice for your SEO journey, as their service is transparent and they provide comprehensive reports at every step. Technical SEO tools. Now we will gain knowledge about some technical SEO tools. These tools are either software programs or online platforms which assist website owners and SEO experts to enhance the technical aspects of their websites to boost their search engine ranking. Some examples of technical SEO tools include Google Search Console, a free tool from Google that lets website owners track and improve how visible their site is in Google search results. Ahrefs, a tool that provides information on backlinks, keywords ranking, and content research. SEMrush, a tool that provides information on organic search, paid search, display advertising, and link building. Moz, a tool that provides information on search engine rankings, backlinks, and on-page optimization. DeepCrawl, this tool crawls websites to find technical SEO problems like broken links, duplicate content, and missing tags. Spotify, a tool that helps identify technical SEO issues and optimize website crawlability. PageSpeed Insights. PageSpeed Insights look at how fast your web pages load. Along with the performance score, it shows what part of the web page and its coding you can improve to make the web page load faster and give a better performance to user in both mobile and desktop. I just gave you the name of some available technical SEO tools. The best tool for a website depends on its demands and the SEO professionals or website owners' aims. So today we have covered how the website functions, how search engines understand a website, and the tools of technical SEO. I hope this information was useful. I tried to explain it very simply. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any more questions. The next video, we will describe how we can do the technical SEO audit. Till then, be safe and stay with ASL BPO. Adios everyone.